Namaste. Have you ever heard this anywhere that yoga at home and yoga with family? Try to think. I think some of you know about it. This was the slogan of World Yoga Day 2020. I think by hearing this slogan and by seeing the thumbnail, many of you have already came to know about the topic of today's video. So let's get started. Before going in detail about the yoga, let's find its history. Rishi Patanjali is often known or considered as the father of yoga, and his Yoga Sutras still strongly influence most styles of modern yoga. A few centuries after Patanjali, yoga masters created a system of practices designed to rejuvenate the body and prolonged life. The period between 500 BC and 800 AD is considered as Patanjali's period. He is also variously estimated to have lived between 2nd century BC and 4th century AD, with more scholars accepting dates between 2nd and 4th century CE. Patanjali systemized yoga in the form of sutras. He was also the author of classics of three important fields. Those were grammar, yoga, and medicine. At this pandemic time, you may see everywhere that doctors are advising the people to practice the control of their breathing capacity, that is pranayama, regularly. This is a part of yoga. Now let's know the different types or the parts of yoga. There are mainly 8 types or the parts of yoga. Those are yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dhyana, dharana, and samadhi. Asanas are also called as yoga poses or yoga postures in English. The 10th and 11th century Goraksha Sataka and the 15th century Hatha Yoga Pradipaka identify mainly 84 asanas. The 17th century Hatha Ratnavali provides a different list of 84 asanas describing some of them: Surya Namaskara, Paddha Konasana, Dhanurasana, Kakutasana, Kurmasana, Virasana, and the list goes on. We all know that the World Yoga Day is celebrated 21st of June every year. The idea to observe 21st June as a Yoga Day was proposed by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji at the speech of United Nations General Assembly in September 2014. The reason behind to select 21st June because 21st June is the longest day in the year of the Northern Hemisphere. The great thing is that more than 170 countries accepted the proposal of celebrating 21st June as a World Yoga Day out of 195 countries. 186 world records are set in the name by doing unique yoga poses totally in the world. India itself have many world records in yoga. Some of them are: Varshaba Bharat sets a record of holding longest duration of Gomukhasana on a stool. Tanashri Pitrodi have 6 world records in her name by performing different types of yoga postures. On the occasion of 3rd International Yoga Day, 55,000 people of Mysore of India performed yoga together at one place at the same time and made a world record. This record was broken by India itself by Baba Ramdev on occasion of 4th International Yoga Day by performing yoga by 2 lakh people together at Kota, Rajasthan. Advantages of yoga. Yoga helps in attaining physical health as well as a good mental health. By practicing meditation regularly, we can keep our mind peace and calm. Regular practicing of pranayama helps in controlling the breath. Rishis in olden age or olden days could stay without food and water for years, and they were also meditating for many years. This could only be possible because they were practicing yoga regularly. Nowadays, even the dancers and the film actors started to practice yoga regularly to keep them fit, healthy, and young. This year, we people cannot come out of the home to celebrate Yoga Day togetherly in groups, but still, we can do it with our family at our home itself. Please regularly practice yoga at home and keep yourself healthy. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.